Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR electric pizza oven. So we got our instructions. Got some thick foam packaging on here. And this is a larger oven than I was expecting. Of course, I probably should have expected it to be this large because it said this was good for 14-inch pizzas. Okay, that is a heck of a thing. So we got our handles, and these are insulated, which is excellent because we don't want to have to be grabbing onto this stainless steel whenever we want to pull out our pizza. They appear to be a fairly thick plastic, and they're held in with a couple of Phillips head screws. So you can see our heating element in there. There is another one exactly like that on the top. Got something there. We got another heating element here, and then this shares the same heating element for the top. Oh, okay, cool. So these are our ceramic baking sheets. So basically we're going to be cooking this on a pizza stone. And we got two of them, one for the bottom, one for the top. They got kind of a raised surface here in the middle, and they appear to be about a 1/4 inch thick. You can actually kind of see some foam in here, so the whole door itself is insulated as well. Cool. That is a pretty neat looking oven. So on the side we have 3 different temperature controls, so that's going to be for the different elements, so you can set them each independently. And we got a timer, and that is just an egg timer, so you don't even have to have power for that. You can literally just use that as a timer for anything. And we got our power switches here on the bottom. Okay, so the first step was we closed the drawers up and heat it all the way up just to kind of bake off anything that might be in there. That is according to the instructions. So now we can close it. What do we want? 392? Mm-hmm. We're going to use I guess we could use both, huh? I got 2 pizzas. Oh, that's cool. And so this switch on the left, that is actually the light on the inside. So we can see what's going on in there. And the switch on the right, that's going to be to actually start up those coils. And the instructions say to preheat for about 20 minutes. So, we'll do the bottom one first. Now, normally you want to use cornmeal whenever you're going to be preparing this, just to give it a kind of layer so it can slip. I've never launched a pizza before. I'm just using flour. Hey, that actually worked really well. Okay. Cool. Now, in the instructions, it says that we want to now max it out. And I do like that the lights actually turn on to let you know that it is actually heating up, so it'll turn off whenever it gets to the max temperature that it needs. But at this point, it should cook those pizzas in 7 minutes. Well, it's been 7 minutes, so it looks awesome to me. My girlfriend says she wants to give it a couple more minutes, though, so I'm going to do that. Okay, let's see what we got. Nice. There we go. Those are some crazy looking pizzas. Now it is worth keeping in mind this is designed to be a commercial oven, so we're going to keep the temperature at 392, and then whenever we go to put in a new pizza, we'll crank that guy back up. So basically this is designed to run all day long. But if you want a pizza oven that can produce pizzas like this, that is going to be an excellent option for that.